you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Goddess Provisions for September. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just got my September Goddess Provisions. Last month I did not receive it. The month before was the end of my subscription, and because you guys did order that so many boxes, I did receive a free one, but they didn't put my information in correctly, so I didn't receive one last month, which was kind of a bummer because they had some really cool things in their box last month. So I had to reach out to them. They said they were already sold out, so they would send me this month. So I do have this month's box, but again, my subscription is done and over with, and I'm going to pause this one for a while because there is another one that I would like to bring to show you guys just at least a little different variation. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this one, and I'll let you know. If you guys do want to check them out, I will put their link down below, and they do give you 5 to 7 full-size products in every box, valued typically from $80 to $100. And they do free shipping to the US, $33 a month, or if you do 12 months prepaid, you can get it as low as $27.75, and they're always cruelty-free and vegan. And again, free shipping. Canadian shipping is $15 and international is $25. So let's go ahead and dive on in here and see what September's box brings us. And if you guys do want to see more of this, let me know, and I will consider resubscribing here like in the near future. But here is that. Now this one, I always say that I really wish they would put their cart on the top of their box because I have to dump everything out to get to their cart. Right there. All right, so now that I had to dump everything out, this is very beautiful. I like that. I like all the colors on that card. That is very beautiful. Okay, so the monthly mantra: I embrace the winds of change and rise up to reach my highest potential. There's that. That's so pretty. And let me go ahead and get this going here. So the air element. So the first item I see is a fair trade wind chime, which would be right here. This is valued at $24, and you can use fall 20 and save 20% off of matrboomie.com. That's the company that this came from. So it says this rustic bell was handmade with recycled metal by fair trade Indian artisans to represent the element of air. Hang it outside your door, window, or in your favorite natural sanctuary as a reminder of that. Like the divine, air is all around, yet impossible to see. Yes, it is. So let's get this little thing off here. Ooh, da-ding, da-ding. So that's the company right there. That's the name. And it says, bell making is an ancient Indian craft with enchanting origins. Traditionally used by farmers to identify their livestock, each bell is hand-turned to produce a distinctive chime. Made from recycled metals, artisans from the desert Kutch region hand-shape bells and coats them in powdered brass and copper before firing. Each rustic bell is true to reveal a rich, unique sound like no other bell. Ooh, that's neat. Handmade in India, fair trade, handmade, sustainable. Wow. And something in here smells amazing. So there is the wind chime. Ooh, that is so pretty. And listen to that. That's so cool. And they're all different because the way that they're made in shape to have a distinctive bell sounding. That's awesome. I really like that. Modern design meets inspiring art forms, handmade rustic bells. Is it this? Is this that smells good? Holy moly. Why does metal smell so good? Is this, or maybe it's because it was laying on this, maybe? Aha, this is the culprit. It's leaking. So this got on this. Okay, no problem. This smells really good. So there's item number 1 with this amazing bell sound. Let's set that down. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into the next item, which would be this guy. Good Medicine Electric Sky Universal elixir. Not sure. It's in here. Okay, so there's that. And it says, loaded with activated oxygen, this formula will breathe new life into your skin by increasing circulation while combating bacterial, fungals, and microbes. What? Place 6 to 8 drops into the palm and gently press into your skin, giving extra love to perform areas. Wow, $34 value. Coupon Goddess25 saves 25% at goodmedicinebeautylab.com. What? Hemp seed oil with activating oxidants, black seed oil, Good Medicine Labs, Universal Elixir, prickled pear, hemp seed oil. What? So it's to fight against bacterial and fungal. It just smells like, I don't know, it's a weird smell. I don't know, it smells to me kind of like chlorine, to be quite honest. I'm not quite sure, but that's neat. So I'm gonna have to look up more, like go to their website and see exactly like what kind of fungal bacterial things that it works for. I don't know, like is it like where you have like a sore or a cut or like an ingrown toenail? Like what kind of bacterial functions does it help? I'm gonna have to go to their website and find out. So but that's really neat. I mean, if it does all that, that is really neat. Okay, so the next item here says Hedge Witch Wild is the wild tea. The wind delivers messages and clues as to what will come. Sip on a warm cup of this herbal tea blend to awaken your senses and sit back and observe how the wind guides the clouds and the trees. Valued at $8, coupon Witchy saves 15% off. Huh, I can't wait to try that. I wonder what it smells like. Let's see. Let's see what it smells like. You can see all this stuff. It smells nice and like lemony, like citrusy. And to let you see, hold on. Did it already close on me? Yeah, a little bit. So there's like chunks of leaves and everything in there. So that's nice and hearty. And it's all see-through in the back. And this is completely filled to the brim. Like I can barely close this back. Like it is packed. So I do appreciate that. It's full to the very, very brim. And again, this is valued at $8. Okay, so the next item is this guy right here. This says IBU body oil. This is characterized by the mobile nature of wind's energy. This blend of respiratory herbs, grounding scents, and citrine gem essence will help you to balance the dry natures of Vata season, paying special attention to your joints. Valued at $16.50. Use coupon IBU Goddess saves 40% off at ibuyurveda.com.au. 40% off, that's a lot. So let's see here. Very pretty bottle. There's that. And this is to be used on your joints. So let's give this a little sniff. It smells good. It smells like it has like a little essential oil in it. For external use only. To use, warm oil in your hands and apply generously all over the body or 2 areas of most needed, focusing on the joints and any inflamed nerves. That's interesting. So again, there's that product right there. And this is valued at $16.50. So we have a few more items in here, you guys. This is the one that was smelling really good because it's been leaking. So, I can already smell it. It smells so good. And this is air. Oh my gosh, I'm putting this in my diffuser tonight. This is Element Botanicals Air Aromatherapy. The air element is associated with the mind, the intellect, clarity, and positivity. Add a few drops of this essential oil blend featuring lemon and cardamom to your diffuser, facial serum, or mix with a carrier oil for DIY skincare creations to clear your mind and welcome the positive thoughts. This is valued at $9. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Coupon Air Goddess saves 20% off at elementbotanicals.ca. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing, you guys. And it was just a little loose. That's why it had a little bit of spillage, but I'm so glad because I smell it so well and it smells amazing. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Ooh, that smells so good. Okay, so moving right along, we have, so there's that, and it says, the breath is everything. Breathe in relaxation, breathe out tension, breathe in clarity, breathe out disillusionment, breathe in calmness, breathe out disruption, breathe in love, breathe out expectations, breathe in peace. And herbal aromatherapy inhaler with essential oils of eucalyptus, peppermint, fir needle, Italian lemon, cardamom, tea tree, and laurel leaf. So this says you are constantly interacting with the air through your breath. Use this inhaler made with invigorating essential oils to open your senses for your breathwork practices. Simply place near your nostrils and breathe in. $7 value. Coupon Goddess saves 20% at mysticalblooms.com. So there is the actual product. And you just inhale through there. Ooh, I smell peppermint for sure. And I could smell a little tea tree oil. That smells really good. So directions, place enter tube about a ½ inch away from your nostrils and inhale slowly, counting between 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat the process on each nostril 2 to 3 times. Use every 2 to 3 hours. Huh, so that is different. Okay, so one more item we have here. And this is the crystal. They normally always give you like one crystal for the month, and this would be it. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's like, this side is nice and smooth and like straight, and then that side has like, I just love the impurities on it. That is so nice. And like the light, almost like a light gray to a darker grayish brown color. That is interesting. This is a smoky quartz. This particular stone has a strong grounding effect that will keep you anchored to the earth while your heart and mind expands to reach the far corners of the universe. Meditate with it and envision opening the windows of your heart and mind with every fresh breeze blows through. So it's valued at $11, and that is so pretty. I really like that. You know, I'm kind of glad, you know, things always happen for a reason. So I'm kind of glad I got this box because I'm loving that wind chime. I love this smell. And these other things are really amazing. We have an inhaler, we have the tea, and then this is a beautiful stone. Then they also give you a guide for autumn. It says access simply tips on dieting and daily routines to balance the airy qualities of autumn so you can feel the most clear, calm, and creative. And you can, it's a digital download valued at $12. So I always forget to tell you about the digital download that they do include, but when I tell you the total box of the value, which will be right here, it does include any digital download price that's on the card as well. So that is awesome. I am really loving this, and I'm so glad it leaked on this because, oh my goodness, that smells so good. That smells amazing. And I love the sound. I love the sound. I'm barely moving it, like. So I'm so glad that I got this box. So again, things always happen for a reason. So I am very appreciated that I got it this month. So thank you guys, whoever did sign up using my code, because of you, this box was for me, and I didn't pay for it because of you guys. So thank you, whoever did use my link and signed up. I greatly appreciate it. So now I was able to at least show you guys one more box, and this is probably one of my favorite boxes of theirs, to be quite honest. I can see how this can kind of help calm, like help calm you because of those scents. It's very calming. So I love this box. You guys comment down below and let me know what you thought of this month's box. And again, let me know if you do want me to bring this one back in the near future. I do want to give it a break for a little bit because I have so many boxes that I need to kind of start switching some stuff up and doing a few less because I have way too many of them going on right now. But definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.